Hey everyone, what's up? Today we're building a carousel in Figma from scratch, fully interactive with prev and next buttons that actually switch the slides. No plugins, just pure Figma. Let's go. Let's start with the foundation. I'm creating an iPhone 13-14 frame. This will be our workspace. We're working in mobile format because carousels are most commonly used on mobile devices. Now I'm creating the cards. This will be our base element. I'm sizing it so the card takes up most of the screen but leaves a bit of space on the sides, duplicating the card and wrapping it in auto layout. This matters right now. Without auto layout, we won't be able to control the spacing between cards easily. I duplicate the card again, so we have 5 in total, adding photos to the cards. You can use your own images, Unsplash or AI generated, doesn't matter. The important thing is that all cards are the same size, otherwise they'll jump around during the animation. We also need to constrain the frame that holds the cards to the size of a single card and set up the spacing. Now let's create the button. We find the icons we need and turn an icon into a button. Size needs to be comfortable for finger taps. Minimum 44 pixels, that's the standard for touch interfaces. Duplicate the button, swap the icon, wrap them in auto layout, then select our cards and buttons together and wrap them in auto layout as well. And that's our carousel. Now let's create all the card positions we need for the carousel to work correctly. Important, we need to remove auto layout from the cards frame so we can move them around freely. Then step by step, we shift the cards inside the frame so that the second card moves into the first card spot, and so on for every card. But you need to move all the cards at once, otherwise the animation breaks. Once that's done, we select all the carousel variants and create a component set. Almost there. Only the animation is left, let's do it. On the last slide of the carousel, we make the right button inactive, just toggle its visibility off. Same thing on the first slide, but with the left button. Animation is ready, let's test it. Yep, everything works, and there it is. In just a few minutes, you have a fully working carousel with buttons. You can use this pattern in any mobile app for onboarding, product galleries, customer testimonials. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, it really helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. More Figma and AI design tutorials coming up. And in the comments, let me know which carousel variation you want me to make next. Peak carousel, infinite loop, or one with dot indicators. See you next time.